The title of this video is how to use a compass lanyard. And I imagine some people saw that and thought, seriously, it's just a piece of string. But think about it this way. When learning to navigate, we spend hours practicing with the compass itself. How many people have ever practiced using their lanyard? So today, let's just take a few minutes to go through what a lanyard is, what it's for, and how to use it properly. Some compass lanyards, like this one here, they've got measurements woven into the fabric, and others include a quick release system or even a tiny screwdriver in the clasp. Others have wrist loops attached to them. I'm not quite sure why, as you never attach a compass to your wrist. Oh well. But all lanyards have one essential job, and that is stopping your compass from getting lost. Oh, a quick note here. If your lanyard does have a screwdriver in it, that's for setting the magnetic declination on certain compasses. If you live in an area with magnetic declination, you can set it once and then leave the screwdriver at home. The declination won't change in the next few weeks or even the next few months. Now then, here's the most important bit. Let me be absolutely clear about this. Compass lanyards are never meant to be worn around your neck. So, members of the Ramblers Association, please take note. You know, this is extremely dangerous, and in some situations, it could even be fatal. So please, never ever wear your compass around your neck with a lanyard. The proper way to use a lanyard is to attach it to something like a rucksack or a belt loop or a zip pull. That way, if you drop it, your compass won't disappear into the undergrowth. The simplest method is simply just to loop the lanyard around a strap, like the one on your backpack, and then pass the compass through the resulting loop and then secure it. Ideally, you want to pick a point that lets you hold the compass at chest height, and it also lets you tuck it into your pocket, you know, when you're not using it. That way, it's there. Unfortunately, most stock lanyards, they're too short to do this, and I'm not sure why. You know, so you've got a few options. You can replace your lanyard with a piece of paracord, or on some brands like this one here, you can just undo the overhand knot and then retie it to your preferred length. I recommend tying the compass directly to one end of the lanyard, like this, and then leave a loose end with a small loop or a carabiner, so you can attach it to your gear, really simply. There are plenty of fancy knots that you could use to make the loop in, or to tie the compass. As an example, there's the lanyard knot at one end and a double figure of 8 at the other end. But honestly, you really don't need to do anything complicated. Just make sure that both ends are secure and you're good to go. And then once you've finished, put your compass in your pocket, and when you need it, it's there. And even if you drop it, you're not going to lose it. Main thing to remember, do not put your lanyard around your neck. Thanks for watching.